All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today is the first of the new year, 2024. So that means I'm going to tell you my 2024 New Year's resolutions, and I hope you tell me yours as well. But first of all, Happy New Year. And like I said last video, I hope you accomplish everything that you put your mind to. Let's jump right in. The first and most important item on the list today is going to be my number one goal for 2024 is to be debt-free by the end of the year, which means I have to pay off $97,000, $97,289.42. So that is the big ticket item right now. According to the math currently, it looks pretty possible, but if you just look at the numbers like from work and stuff like that, it looks like not going to happen. So we're going to see, we're going to shoot for it. But the plan, that's the goal, is to be debt-free. And I'm trying to make these goals as realistic as possible so I don't have to let myself down into 2025. So I'm trying to make these as realistic as possible, and most of these I think that I can accomplish if I put my mind to. So I'm going to try to accomplish every single one of these and make sure to hold me accountable. So number 2, no haircut. We're growing the hair out for another year. We're going down to here. Number 3, like I said, brush my teeth every day. I want to keep these babies clean, keep them safe, and keep them cavity free. Also helps out with bad breath. Number 4, do my physical therapy exercises every day. So if you guys don't remember, I was in a car accident back in May. My back's been messed up for the rest of the year. So I need to do my physical therapy exercises every day. Don't do that every day, so I need to do that every day. Or at least some of them right now. Sometimes I don't do any, so I need to do my physical therapy exercises every day. The next one I've already lost count. I think we're on number 5. No new credit cards for 2024. I'm gonna try to push through that again. I don't really need credit cards, but I usually just do it because it's easy and I can put off paying the interest on 0% for a year, 15 months or whatever. And it's just easy to make small payments, and then I can save up more money over time. But hopefully my new $8,000 credit cards will hold me for the year. Read the Bible every day. Usually I try to do I usually have like a Bible reading plan, and I usually try to do try to get through the Bible in a year with like 3 chapters. But I'm just going to try to do anything, at least maybe a chapter a day. The next goal, hit 25,000 subscribers on YouTube. Usually I try to go big like 10,000, but that's never worked. But this year, as I'm really going to be making less videos with my job situation right now where I can't make videos, I'm just going to try to hit 25,000. So if I can get 5,000 subscribers, which is like another 4,300 from now, I think that'll be a pretty big success for me. So if I can hit 25,000 by the end of the year, I'll call that a success. And next, I want to hit 3,000 followers on Instagram. Right now, I'm at 1,779, or I was this morning. So that's pretty doable. It's like 1,200 followers, especially if I just keep posting there. I think that can definitely happen. This one, maybe hit $700 a month on YouTube. I just hit 600, and it's back down to about 500. So we'll see. I really don't think that's possible, but we'll see. But that's the goal, because I already hit 600. So the next goal is 700. And then my next goal would be to hit 500 subscribers on my Daily Finances YouTube. Like I said, I'm going to be trying to post there at least weekly to give you guys weekly updates on my debt-free journey. So if you guys want to follow along on the debt-free journey, make sure to follow along there at Daily Finances, and as well on Instagram at Daily Finances YT, I believe, or just Daily Finances. I think it's got the YT. Anyways, the last 2 goals is the second to last goal is to make 85 videos on YouTube this year. Usually I usually make 1 every day after work, which is 5 a week, at least, times 52 a year. That's usually 250 videos. But now I really have to make these in my own time outside of work. So I'm just shooting for 85 because I'm at 1,915. So that'll bring it to a clean 2,000 videos by the end of the year. So that's easy to keep track of. I was going to go 75, but I've upped it to 85. And lastly, I got to learn how to make salad rolls and peanut sauce, because those things are freaking delicious. They're healthy. and it would save me a lot of money because they do have these at the job site that I work at, and they're like $11 for 2 little baby salad rolls. So that's a waste of money. I gotta learn how to make my own, take them to work. I'll be just swimming in cash. So anyways, those are my 2024 goals. Let me know, like I said, what are your goals down below? What are you hoping to accomplish this year? Any financial goals or work-related goals? Maybe you're trying to get into an apprenticeship. Let me know down below. I'd love to hear them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one and in the new year. Love you guys. Peace.